Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the new 2026 Ford Bronco Big Bend. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Black Diamond package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing. We got a little tow hook here, full-size spare tire with your backup camera. We do get these nice high clearance fender flares. You got rock rails. We got the Black Diamond graphics package. That's a nice clean look. We do get blind spot detection. We got a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. And the nice graphics on the hood with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got all these nice little cargo storage bags for your doors, your roof, for when you want to take it off-roading. Got hooks and doodads as well. Cargo cubby holes, 12 volt with some lights. Pretty nice. Body is molded to the outside coloring, and you do get a sound deadening headliner, which is perfect for no outside sound coming in. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black vinyl interior, cargo net, floor mats. We do get a vinyl floor interior. Your windows are right here. Rear vents, USB-Cs, 110 volt. You got the Bronco logo on the mats. Cup holders and arm space if you pull that down. And you do get some nice storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there. Even bigger cargo net. You do get a grab handle here on this model for the new 2026. You do get another grab handle here, so it's easier to get into the vehicle. You got some lights, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 12 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have your phone, voice, toggle free screen, playback, play forward, volume, cruise control, digital speedometer, distance to empty, all the usuals. My view, trip and feel, Bronco information, navigation, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select here with the little Bronco logo. Go modes with trail control and four-wheel drive. Your windows, mirrors, center console with tons of storage, cup holders. Got that nice little nameplate here where it tells you where it's been. So Dearborn, Michigan. Another grab handle here, there, and there for your convenience. Nice little phone slot here with some outlets. Let me see if I can heat it up. USB and USB-C. Dual climate up front with heated front seats. Rear window defrost. Auto stop, auto start. Audio. Storage below. Rear locking diff. Trailer turn traction. Hazards. Nice big infotainment system that has audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Phone controls. Your navigation. Search recent saved. All that fun. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. Just your normal vehicle settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA45271, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.